How to delete all posts on Facebook at once. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you can find this settings icon. Click on it. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under your activity, you'll find the option of activity log. Open it. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Click on the option of public post. Now in this page, you're gonna find all of your posts. Now how to delete all of these posts at once. For that, you have to check in for this option of all. With that, all the posts will be selected. Now click on this option of trash. Click on move to trash. With that, you have just deleted all posts on your Facebook account at once. Well, this is how you can easily delete all posts on Facebook at once. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.